Introduction. Hello, aspiring entrepreneurs and business enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the heart of business strategy, creating a successful business plan. Whether you're launching a startup or looking to take your existing business to new heights, a well-crafted business plan is your roadmap to success. Welcome to the Biz Mentor Junction, and in this video, I'll walk you through the detailed steps needed to create a business plan that sets you up for triumph. Let's get started. Step 1. Define your vision and mission. Every successful business begins with a clear vision and mission. Your vision paints a picture of where you want your business to go, while your mission outlines the why and how behind your business's existence. Craft these statements with passion and purpose, keeping them aligned with your core values. Step 2. Conduct thorough market research. Understanding your market is key to making informed decisions. Dive deep into market research. Analyze your target audience, study your competitors, and identify trends that could shape your business's future. Armed with insights, you'll position your business strategically within the market. Step 3. Develop a strong value proposition. Your value proposition is your business's unique offering, the answer to why customers should choose you. Craft a compelling proposition that addresses your customers' pain points and clearly communicates the value you bring. Remember, a strong value proposition sets you apart from the competition. Step 4. Outline effective marketing and sales strategies. Your business's success relies on effective marketing and sales tactics. Outline your strategies, from social media campaigns to pricing structures. Tailor these strategies to resonate with your target audience, and don't forget to include a plan for scaling as your business grows. Step 5. Develop an operational plan. Behind every successful business is a well-oiled machine. Develop a detailed operational plan that covers production processes, supply chain management, and day-to-day operations. Scalability is key. Your plan should accommodate growth without sacrificing efficiency. Step 6. Financial projections and budgeting. Numbers matter. Dive into financial projections, estimate revenue, factor in expenses, and create a budget that guides your financial decisions. Effective cash flow management is crucial for keeping your business healthy and sustainable. Step 7. Risk assessment and mitigation. Every business faces risks, but being prepared is the key to overcoming them. Conduct a thorough risk assessment, identify potential challenges and develop strategies to mitigate them. A proactive approach ensures you're ready for any curveballs. The conclusion. Congratulations, you've just navigated the essential steps to create a successful business plan. Remember, your business plan isn't set in stone, it's a dynamic document that evolves with your business. By defining your vision, conducting thorough research, crafting a strong value proposition, outlining effective strategies, developing a solid operational plan, projecting your finances, and preparing for risks, you're well on your way to building a thriving business. So, grab that pen, unleash your creativity, and let your business plan become your compass to success. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more valuable insights. Until next time, keep dreaming big and turning those dreams into reality. This is the Biz Mentor Junction, signing off.